Welcome at Drum Lessons by LeonDrums. In this video I give you a preview of our drum course Yellow Stick at second level, lesson 15. Every lesson we start with a drum up, warm up. Basically mobility, and later we use these exercises to make fills in this lesson. In this video I give you a preview of the mobility exercises. Let's drum! I use colors on the drums and the notes so you can read the notes very easy. Alright, the white one is snare, the yellow is your high tom, green is your mid tom, and blue is your low tom or floor tom, and orange is the bass drum. Okay, you can play along with me. At the end of this video you can play different exercises. Okay, the left hand stays on white, on the snare. Don't think about your left hand. The right hand, clockwise, and you start on white, yellow, green, blue. Again, white, yellow, green, blue. Your right hand. And then alternate. Watermelon, watermelon. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. And with the bass drum, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a watermelon, 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 watermelon. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and one more, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you can practice at your own pace. And now counterclockwise, it's the same story, but now you start on blue and now green, yellow, white. And this is the same. So you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With the bass drum, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With your left hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Don't think about your left hand. Focus at your right hand. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a little faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Make sure you play the same distance. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and next one. It's almost the same as the previous one, and now your left hand stays on yellow. Don't think about your left hand. Stays on yellow. Right hand, clockwise. Start on white, yellow, green, blue. White, yellow, green, blue. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With the bass drum on each beat. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and a little faster. 3 and 4 and And now counterclockwise. Left hand stays on yellow and we start with the right hand on blue. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Left hands. 1 and 2 and 3. And if you count out loud, then it's 1, 2 with the bass drum on each beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Later in the video at LeonDrums.nl we make fills with these exercises. We make half bar fills. So 1 bar is 4 beats, half bar is 2 beats. So play 2 times watermelon. For example, play groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If you like to see the whole video, check LeonDrums.com, and if you like, you can try 1 week for free. I see you at LeonDrums.com. Let's drum!